So this video will cover how to link or assign a text from HMH to your students if you are not using Google Classroom. Again, we will discuss how to assign a text to your students from HMH if you are not using Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to search for, after you log into the Ed app, you're going to search by name of the story that you want. So I'm going to search for the story, How Did That Get Into My Lunchbox? And then in the browser option, in the filter options, I'm going to choose the audience is going to be students. So I'm going to put that filter on. And now I'm going to search down for the text that I need. My book, how, there it is. So if you want your kiddos to start with the prepare to read, which is the page that introduces the genre of the story, then you would start here and it'll let them read the introduction and then it will move to the story. If you just want them to read the story, then you'll find the link that just says my book and then the title of the text. Let's see if I can find it here. I believe though it's going to be on the next page. So let's just use, I'm going to go ahead and use the prepare to read with the introduction and then the text. So I'm going to press assign. And then I'm going to check the title. So there's the title. There's the start date, the end date. If you want these changed, you can change them yourself by pressing the calendar. But I'll leave mine as they are. Then you're going to select your students and the class. So I have 2 classes, and just for practice, I'm going to put this in the language arts class, not in the reading class. Then I'm going to scroll down. You can type directions here if you wish. And then you're going to press assign. So here you can see the green notice that says the assignment is created. Now, if you want your students to answer some questions about the story, then you can click on the collaborative discussion button here and assign those questions. And again, if you just want to go straight to the story, you can search and find the link that says my book and just the title story. So if I push next and scroll through the options, here it is. So if I only want my kiddos to read just the story with no introduction, then this is what it looks like. It has my book here and then it just has the title. So if I only wanted them to read the story without the introduction, I would assign this one. Now I'm going to click on assignments just to check and see. This is what it looks like. So you can see who has not started it, who has started it, who is ready to grade, and who is completed. Of course, I don't have any here because I just assigned it, but this is what it does look like. So you can click in the assignments tab and it'll show you exactly who has started and who hasn't. And then the kiddos will log in and they will see the same thing. They'll click on their assignments and they'll be able to see the assignments that you have signed as well. And that is how you assign a text to your students through the HMH app. Let me know if you have any questions.